Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. By default, we will get the Firefox, not the Google Chrome. See here, we have the only Firefox. Even if you search for Chrome, see you don't have Chrome, but we have only Firefox. This is the web browser. So open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on this download Google Chrome, or just click on fast and secure web browser built. Click on download Chrome, then select .debian package for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems. Then click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 119 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Provide the password of currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. See, we are installing Google Chrome current stable release version number 147. We have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser. Now go to applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default web browser, keep the checkbox and automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google. You have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. So you have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Unless this file is not recorded anymore, or in Google, press the tab. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable release on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.